Hey guys, welcome back to the English Talk Hub. I hope you all are having a beautiful, positive day today. I am your host, Sam, and today we're going to dive into a very sweet and cozy conversation. Joining me is my fantastic co-host, a woman who gets incredibly excited when she finds a perfect green leaf on her balcony plant. Say hello, Chloe.
Hello, everyone. I am Chloe. And hey, Sam, a perfect green leaf means my plant is happy, okay? It is a wonderful small thing. And to everyone listening, look at Sam over there, a man whose face lights up with pure joy when he finds an extra French fry at the bottom of his fast food bag.
Hey, don't underestimate the power of a hidden French fry, Chloe. It makes me feel like the luckiest person in the world. But yes, everyone, today we have a very heartwarming, joyful, and simple topic for you: feeling happy about small things.
Small things really do carry the biggest happiness, Sam. Life is not only about huge events like buying a luxury car or winning a lottery. Real joy is hidden in our daily routines. Sam, let's start by introducing a fundamental vocabulary word for our beginner friends: joy.
Excellent. Joy is a noun. It is a very strong feeling of great happiness and pleasure. It is a light and bright emotion.
For example, the small children filled the playground with laughter and joy.
And another beautiful adjective related to this is cheerful. Cheerful describes a person or a place that is happy, bright, and full of positive energy.
For example, Chloe has a very cheerful smile whenever she drinks her morning tea.
Morning tea is a classic example, Chloe. Drinking hot tea while the house is quiet is a perfect small moment. But in my house, if I sit down with my hot tea, my heavy dog immediately runs over and shakes his wet fur directly next to my cup. My peaceful moment is instantly ruined.
A wet dog shower with your tea? That is gross, Sam. Your dog just wants to share the morning freshness with you.
Freshness? No, Chloe, that is a muddy disaster. It is definitely not cheerful.
Poor Sam. Let's look at another great vocabulary word: notice. To notice is an action verb. It means to see, feel, or become aware of something or someone. To find happiness in small things, you must learn to notice them first.
Yes, for example, I noticed a beautiful yellow butterfly sitting on a flower today.
Let's ask our listeners a quick question right now. Everyone, look at your day today. What is one tiny thing that made you smile? Was it a hot cup of coffee, a kind text message from a friend, or a blue sky? Please write your answer in the comments below using very simple English.
Yes, please write it down. We love reading your happy moments. Our comment section is a cheerful place to learn.
Now, Sam, let's look at a very useful grammar point that beginners need when they describe their daily habits or general truths about happiness. We use the present simple tense.
Yes, this is a core grammar rule. For example, I smile when I see a baby, or she feels happy when the sun shines.
Remember the rule for singular pronouns and nouns like he, she, it, or happiness. We must add an S or ES to the verb.
Exactly. We say a warm bath relaxes the body, not a warm bath relax the body.
Beginners often drop that small S sound. So remember, guys, Sam laughs, Chloe sings, gratitude brings joy. Keep that rule inside your mind.
That is a very important point, Chloe. Thank you. Present simple is our best friend for sharing things that happen regularly.
Perfect. If you are enjoying this happy conversation and learning these easy grammar rules, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the English Talk Hub. Your subscription brings us a lot of joy.
Yes, smash that subscribe button right now. Now, Chloe, let's talk about the phrase little things. In English, we often say it's the little things that count.
Oh, I love that expression, Sam. It means small details or small actions are often the most important or valuable things in a relationship or in life.
For example, he doesn't buy her expensive gifts, but he always makes her bed. It's the little things that count.
That is very sweet. Another wonderful vocabulary word is content. Content is an adjective. It means peaceful, satisfied, and happy with your current situation. You do not feel the urgent need for more things.
For example, after eating a delicious homemade dinner, I feel completely content.
Let's check the pronunciation of notice. We used this word earlier. Listen carefully. Notice. The ending has a short I sound like the word miss. Notice.
Notice. Brilliant. Now, let's talk about the smell of things. Smells can connect us to instant happiness. For example, the smell of fresh rain on dry soil.
Oh, that smell is heavenly, Sam. In English, there's a special vocabulary word for that smell. It's called petrichor. It's a bit advanced, but so beautiful. Petrichor.
Wow, petrichor. I love that. Another simple happy smell is the aroma of baking bread or fresh coffee beans in the kitchen.
Yes, it makes the whole house feel safe and warm. This brings us to another great word, comfort. Comfort means a state of physical ease and freedom from pain or worry.
For example, I find a lot of comfort in wearing my oldest, softest pajamas on Sunday.
Yes, old pajamas are the best, Sam. They have zero fashion value, but 100% comfort value.
Exactly. They are an absolute treasure. Let's look at a grammar point about past experiences. When we talk about a specific happy moment that happened yesterday or last week, we use the past simple tense.
Yes, let's review regular versus irregular verbs. For regular verbs, we add ed. For example, smile becomes smiled. Yesterday, a kind stranger smiled at me on the bus.
But many common action verbs about our senses are irregular. For example, feel becomes felt, F-E-L-T.
For example, I felt so happy when I found my old school photograph inside a book.
Another irregular verb is hear. The past tense is heard, H-E-A-R-D. The pronunciation is heard. Last night, I heard my favorite song on the radio.
Beginners often write feeled or heared. Remember, friends, these are incorrect because these verbs are irregular. Felt and heard are the correct past forms.
Please write them down in your vocabulary notebook, superstars. They are highly useful for telling happy stories about your past.
Sam, do you think people nowadays forget to appreciate small things because they're too busy looking at their phone screens?
Oh, absolutely, Chloe. This is a big modern issue. People are constantly scrolling down, looking at other people's perfect vacations on social media. They forget to look up and appreciate the hot soup in front of them or the beautiful tree outside their window.
That is full of wisdom, Sam. We should try to practice gratitude every evening. Gratitude is a noun. It means the quality of being thankful and showing appreciation for good things or kindness.
For example, keeping a gratitude diary helps you remember the happy moments of your day.
Even a tiny moment, like a friendly cat petting your leg on the street, can go into your diary.
Yes, street cats are excellent providers of unexpected joy.
Let's look at one final grammar point before we finish today's cozy episode. Let's talk about the word can for expressing ability and current possibilities.
Ah, yes, can is a modal verb. For example, you can find happiness right now just by breathing deeply and relaxing your shoulders.
Or, Sam can find joy in eating a cold pizza slice from yesterday.
Yes, cold pizza is an elite breakfast, Chloe. But remember the grammar rule, friends. After the word can, we always use the base form of the verb without adding to and without adding ing. We say, I can appreciate, not I can to appreciate or I can appreciating.
That is a very golden rule for our beginner learners. Keep the verb simple and clean after can.
Perfect. Listeners, here's our final engagement question for today's cheerful episode. What is one small thing in your bedroom that makes you feel happy or comfortable? Is it a soft pillow, a favorite book, a picture of your family, or a colorful lamp? Write your answer in simple English in the comments below.
We are so excited to read your comments and see what small treasures hide in your rooms.
Well, everyone, talking about feeling happy about small things today was absolutely wonderful, uplifting, and super fun. Thank you for analyzing my French fried joy, Chloe.
You are welcome, Sam. Thank you for the old pajama comfort talk. I enjoyed our conversation today.
Me too, Chloe. Thank you, everyone, for tuning in to the English Talk Hub today. Look for the little things today. Keep a big smile on your face and keep practicing your English step by step.
See you in the next episode with another exciting and fun topic. Catch you later, superstars.
Peace out, everyone. Keep shining.